In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on TikTok Shop. If the prices you see don't match the currency you want, the fix usually isn't a separate currency switcher. On TikTok Shop, prices follow the country set in your shipping address. So to change the currency, you'll adjust your address to a different country first, and the app will automatically display the matching currency. Start by opening the TikTok app and making sure you're signed into your account. From the home screen, look for the Shop tab. It's typically at the bottom of the screen. Tap Shop to enter the shopping area. If the Shop tab isn't visible for you, it may be because TikTok Shop isn't available in your region yet, but if you do see it, you're good to go. Inside TikTok Shop, go to your shop profile or account area and find the address section. This is sometimes labeled as addresses, shipping address, or manage address, and it's where your shipping details are stored for orders. Tap to open it. This page is the key to changing your currency because TikTok Shop uses the country in your shipping address to determine which currency to show. Here's the important part. Change the country first. Select the country that corresponds to the currency you want to see on TikTok Shop. Once you pick a different country, confirm and save your address. You can update the rest of the address details later, but the country selection is what drives the currency change. After you save, go back to the shop homepage. Give it a moment, and you should start seeing product prices displayed in the currency used by the country you selected. If it doesn't update right away, try refreshing the shop page or closing and reopening the app to prompt the new settings to take effect. A few helpful tips as you do this. Changing the country may affect which items are available to you, shipping fees, delivery times, and any applicable taxes. Always check the Ships To information on a product page before you place an order. Payment methods can also vary by country, so make sure your chosen payment option is supported for the region you select. And if you ever want to switch back, just return to the address section and change the country again. The currency will follow automatically. That's it. Open your TikTok account, enter the shop, go to address, and select the other country first to change the currency. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you shop with the currency you prefer.